Morning. It is Wednesday the 16th. Sorry about that. We're gonna go try and finish corn.
I have to admit, I'm a hard-working person.
He's got some, well, let me rephrase that. We're gonna go try and finish our corn. But we got old Green running. She was low on antifreeze and low on, no, she had oil, but she's low on antifreeze. So we got that filled up, but the heater core is leaking now. So when she gets hot, she blows smoke in the cab. Doesn't bother me because I leave all the windows open anyways, so then it comes up through the floor. But I'm just letting her warm up, then I gotta go get gas. He's gonna try and do the contest corn today, or I think that's what he's gonna start with. He'll probably load me first and get me in the bin while they go get lightweights on the other truck, and he gets a load cut for them, and the guys from the contest and all that get here so they can measure and do all their calculations and everything. But let's go get gas in the old girl and see if she'll get down to Zitto's or not. Don't mind the dirty windshields, but that's the first load for the contest corn. So now they went and got a lightweight on that truck, or an empty weight. Now they'll go weigh the corn, go and load it, figure out the moistures, and then they'll measure how far he cut, total distance, how many rows, and they got some kind of big calculation they do to figure out how many bushels per acre it went. And like I said, it's a contest. He tries to win it every year. He's won a few years, but I think it goes back and forth between him, Bernie, and Pal Eyes. I think they should go weigh it now. Maybe they'll wait and fill it all the way up. I don't know. I've only been here once or twice for when they do the contest. They usually do it on the day I'm at work. Oh, 'cause I got hard. 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 'Cause I got h
I bet it's 15 tall.
Is it two different varieties?
Yeah. This is decal 5981, and that one's decal 6208. So this is 109-day length maturity, and that was 112-day length maturity. Now we're into good corn, 328, 333, 21 moisture. Well, it's actually 2 points lower than that, so.
Yeesh.
Can't even see in the bin, the window's so dirty.
I know it.
I just can't believe you're almost gone.
Yeah. Yeah.
Are you gonna be able to hold all this?
No.
We're gonna have to sell some.
Thank goodness. Well,
Yeah.
I don't know. This field's doing pretty good. We got a ring and a part left in the dryer, but then the other man will hold a little bit, I think. So it's gonna be dangerous holding it all.
Yeah, hopefully we don't.
Yeah.
Oh, we're gonna have to water that grain too.
I hope not.
I wonder when they're gonna shut it out.
I don't know. If it doesn't storm much, I hope they don't.
Yeah, I hope they don't either.
The whole field on that side over there. This is, yeah, we're already up to 313, 322, 333, 350.
Jeez.
Looks like I picked the wrong place to cut on this variety. This round, it hasn't been below 300 yet.
I wish it all go that way.
Yeah. Yeah. Pretty good day. Yeah. Still above 300, 340, 345. 20 moisture.
This field usually always does pretty good. though.
Yeah, this field, that field, that's where I usually win the contest.
How'd that on Jonathan?
Not bad. I think we probably averaged 240, 250 on sand. And it was 15, 14, 13 moisture. You have this whole round. Yeah. That field just didn't do very good. Well, it did, but it didn't. I mean, it's not like this one.
Yeah.
I don't know why. But we had cover crop in this field, so I attribute a lot doing
Yeah.
good there. But that field we had cover crop, but mostly volunteer weeding.
He does realize he could be discing that field, right?
I guess not. Oh crap! Now you got that on camera.
Yeah, got that on film.
Jeez. bet you're looking at 200,000.
Good. Maybe next year.
Not with the new house going up.
True. It's nice to finally see some walls going up on that
Yeah.
thing.
Yeah, I should have looked at the plans a little bit better. 10-foot walls on the main level, 9-foot walls upstairs. That's going to be one tall house.
Yes, it is. That'll fit right in with the rest of it.
Yeah, that's what everybody kept saying. It's going to be taller than Allen. I mean, no, it won't. Yeah, it will. Be right up there, tall as the corn dryer.
I'm glad that she's got to walk up and down all the stairs.
Yeah. Well, master bedroom's on the lower level. So.
Yeah. Still, that'll be nice though.
Oh yeah. But, you know, start watering that safflower, but the ditch washed out right there. Or the safflower ground, I should say.
I wonder why that washed out.
And it was a mouse hole to begin with.
Sucking mice. Where's the grain cart?
Yeah. Got corn on it from the neighbors still. Get this contest done and go get that emptied out.
Yeah, 12 row head.
Yep. I'm really fill up fast.
Yeah. I don't think we'd keep up with you if you had 12 row head.
I don't know. I don't. Well, I drive have to drive slower, but
Yeah.
there'd be more corn coming in, so I don't know. It'd be nice to have a 12-row folding chopping header. Your lights on?
No.
Oh, he was pushing the brakes.
You see, I hope they're not on. She'll be dead by the time we get unloaded.
All right.
Duck my fat butt down. I still don't see how you judge how close to be to them thing.
Well, after doing it for what, 28 years I've been running a combine. I couldn't figure that out the other day.
Long time.
Since 14 years old,
I was gonna say we
got 1480 when I was in middle school.
yeah, so we were middle school when we started that. Ah, it's been a long time ago.
Now that man child's gonna be 18 years old in a few weeks. I can't believe that.
I know. Right now. Good enough. You want to cut a little more on that?
That's good.
Yeah.
I
Oh, true. If you're gonna do more of the contest, so.
probably should have went and cut on the other side so we could see where to cut. Oh well.
Well, you know where you got 340 bushel right there. So.
Yeah.
All right, I'll go unload her.
Okay.
I guess I'm taking them back with me.
Yeah, just as well.
Okay. All right. Then you want me to come back here when I'm unloaded, or?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, just come back here.
All right, we'll go get her done. All right, we got the contest stuff done with. Uncle Ron's weighing the last load, and they're gonna go do their moisture checks on it. Now we got the grain cart here. Start knocking some corn out. right, I got the thumbs up. Let's go unload. Well, this is the first. We're actually waiting on the combine. I don't know if he's dumped on Uncle Ron yet or not, but Uncle Rick got the other truck unloaded. They still had some of the neighbor's corn on there. They were putting in their bin for feed for their animals this winter. And then I don't know if they were able to fit it all or if he had to take some up to Lish's or not. But looks like Aiden's got a good load on the grain cart, so he'll probably fill Ron. And then just as I was leaving the bins, Uncle Rick pulled in with a load on the other white 2-ton. So it's making some corn. I'm hoping it's staying above 300 like the monitor was saying. But like he said, last year they put cover crop in this field and it actually came up really good, so there's a little extra fertilizer in it. We actually had cover crop in this field and the one on the other side of the ditch here, but it doesn't sound like it did as well as what this one's doing. I don't know why. Like Jeremy said, this field and the one across the ditch next to the road, they always seem to do really good. I don't know if it's just the way they soak when we water them or just a little bit different soil type the further north you go here or what, but oh wow, he's got a big load on that grain cart. Yeesh. We'll sit here and watch him fill Uncle Ron. In fact, I'll get out so I can get a better shot of it. Or I'll just stand here in the door. Oh. So he doesn't put as much on the back of that truck because that bed is a little bit longer than the frame of the truck. We didn't notice it when we were first having them swap it over, but so we just load the back end a little bit lighter so it doesn't tip too bad when we're dumping. So, but it's been a good truck. I think they're happy that they got it. Now if we could just get our other 10-wheeler going, we probably wouldn't need Old Green anymore. But all right, I'm gonna pull up here so they don't have to drive so far down the field to dump on me when they're full. Well, we're not waiting on the combine no more. He's cruising now. I just left the bins. Uncle Rick was there at the full load, and I just passed Ron with the full load. And he just put a bin load on Aiden, so he's gonna have a load for me here in a minute. But he's down to probably the last, oh, I'd say 60 or 70 rows on this field. So he's moving now, which is a good thing. Let's get this stuff in the bin before the storm gets here. I don't think we're going to be able to hold it all though. The dryer's only got a ring left in it, and I think there's less than a ring in the one holding bin, so we still got all of Lyle's to cut. We haven't even opened that filled up. He might have to sell some, which is a good thing. Have more than what you're planning on having. I'm just waiting for him to get a little more room cut down here, then I'll pull in and back up there, so I'm not in the way when they come down. He's just going across the top. Looks like he's got a bin load again. That's good. He's already chased 3 roosters out of here just off the bottom end, so that is another good sign. Like to see them get their numbers build up around here again. If we can get rid of all these stupid skunks and raccoons. Yeah, I'm just waiting. He's gonna have a load for me. But I'll wait for him to cut down this side one more time, if he cuts down this side. Well, he'd have to, because he got dumped on Aiden. Idiot. So yeah, he'll have to cut down this side, and that'll give me enough room to pull in there, turn around, back up, and then I won't be in their way, so we're waiting. Weston kind of looks a little bored, doesn't he? bins. Well, he's already halfway done with this hill. And in typical fashion, our breeze is picked up. We're under a high fire warning watch thing for high winds and dry conditions. And I guess the storm's supposed to kind of start moving in tonight, maybe start raining tonight, early in the morning, and then kind of quit for a little bit, and then rain again tomorrow night. So we're hoping. It rains pretty good, so we don't have to water any more of this grain that we got planted. Picked up a hitchhiker. She didn't want to do her schoolwork, so she came to ride the truck. I wish Ethan was here, but he's still in school for a couple more hours. We'll probably be done before he gets out of school. Or at least before he gets home. Looks like Jeremy's got the little ones in there. Maddie and Steiger. And I think Shiloh's in there too. over the bucket. I'll let it build up some more pressure. Alright, well that was nasty. Got that all blown off. We can go put it in the shed now, park it for the winter. You gonna take it over to Zito's tonight, or? Probably not, where the bucket's full of corn. Yeah, just back it back in there. We can move it later. Could maybe try and
Maybe it'll get some
or we can dig it out. A lot of crap in there. She's put away for the winter. Thankfully. It's only the, what, 16th of October? Yeah. Now we're gonna go dump the corn they shoveled up into the back of that truck. Battery's running out. That's all she wrote. Alright guys, well, I'm back at the house now. We're done for the day. Jeremy finished cutting corn, so everything of ours is cut. But our bins are all full. So we still got corn on all 3 trucks, and there's still some on the grain cart. But as far as corn harvest, our harvest for Hanson Farms is done. He still has some to do for Larkins out to Thatcher. I'm not sure how much he's got to do out there, but He is over discing on Kelly Harris's right now. I guess we're gonna plant grain where the corn was at, and then Kelly wants us to pull another one of the hay fields out over there and put corn in it. So I guess we're gonna do that now, but I'm gonna go cut some firewood up for a little bit with Ethan, and then at least till it gets dark, and then go in and hang out in the house with him and Jesse. So thanks for watching, guys. I do appreciate it, and we will see you in the next one.